How do you know the parts you're making are made of the correct material? Sound familiar? If you're an automotive molder, odds are you've been asked this question by your customer. How did you answer it? Conair recognizes that even the most organized and properly labeled central conveying system, a resin selection station, can be intimidating and in some instances downright confusing. It's really been over the last 3 or 4 years that we've noticed a trend in automotive where there's an increasing demand from the OEMs to eliminate the risk of a part being made from the wrong material hitting the assembly line. While we've seen these directives push across all aspects of automotive production in which plastics are present, we find it is most prevalent in the hard trim interior and exterior markets. Generally speaking, the customers we are having these error-proofing discussions with are customers across a broad spectrum. They can house anywhere from just a handful of injection molding machines and a few materials, all the way up to a facility with 100 molding machines and overwhelming amount of materials, tools, and colors. It's not uncommon for us to find ourselves engaged with customers who have several hundreds of unique combinations for us to manage. Proofing can certainly seem daunting at the onset sometimes.